Well, here it is. My wrong color scheme Rubik's Cube. And it's just very like off-putting. Now, if you don't like do Rubik's Cubes very much, this looks normal to you. Like there's nothing wrong about this. But if you've ever like solved Rubik's Cube or like even just looked into Rubik's Cubes more, you can tell there's something off about this one. That is because, let me grab a real one. Try to find a good spot to put this at. So as you can see, white, blue, red. But as I change it, you can tell things are different. But you wouldn't really notice it if you didn't know how to solve it because it would be scrambled. I mean, like, yes, you would see pieces like orange, red, which are opposite of each other. So look at a normal Rubik's Cube. You can see that white is across from yellow. But this one, white is across from green. Then red is across from orange. Red is across from yellow. Blue is across from orange. Blue is across from green normally. So I kind of just like combine the two together so that what normally wouldn't be touching, white and yellow, would be touching orange, red, blue, and green. So yeah, let's do a solve on this and see what I would get. I typically get 30 seconds on this.